Hello everyone and welcome back to Success Zone. Making money online is something that has become quite popular in recent times. Affiliate marketing is something that is in trend now. Quite a lot of websites have been created and these are getting affiliated with brands and e-commerce businesses. Amazon is one of the best of these brands. Ever since its inception, it has been one of the biggest interfaces of buying and selling. You can really make good money using Amazon. In this video, we'll be discussing top 15 legit ways to make money on Amazon. Make sure you stick around to number 1 so you don't miss out on a single way of earning on Amazon. Number 15, Twitch streaming. Engaging video gamers are acquiring genuine cash broadcasting their games live on the Amazon-possessed Twitch.tv. These streaming videos bring in cash with a portion of the site's membership charges, publicising on their channels, gifts, and offering a product to their fans. The most well-known players are assessed to get $300,000 or more every year. So if you are someone with a good sense of playing video games and online games, then you should start affiliating with Amazon by streaming your playing videos on Twitch.tv. If not much, it will get you some revenue that could buy you some coffees. Number 14, Amazon Vine. If you routinely use Amazon and read surveys, you've most likely understood a couple of that says the individual got a free item in return for an audit. Much the same as Amazon Trade-In, you won't get money in case you're a piece of Amazon Vine, yet you'll get stock for nothing in return for an audit. Fundamentally, it's a program that is just offered to individuals who leave steady surveys for items, so not anybody can join. On the off chance that you appreciate expounding on your involvement in different items, and will in general get plenty of supportive votes from the Amazon people group, you may be a solid match for Vine voices. Number 13, Retail Arbitrage. Retail exchange is a great purchase low, sell high plan of action. However it functions is you discover items at profound limits locally and exchange them on Amazon for a benefit. On the off chance that you need, Amazon will even deal with the delivery for you through their FBA program. This is one of the best methods, as the chances of your thing getting sold increases many folds when it will be listed on a platform like Amazon. Also, the convenient exchange and delivery method make it more feasible. So what are you waiting for? Number 12, Amazon Handmade. Amazon has a program called Amazon Handmade and is available to merchants by the application. The Handmade program is available to artisans who make embellishments, work of art, excellent and personal care products, dress shoes and handbags, home products, toys, and games. You can in any case set your costs and control the marketing and informing on your business page. You can satisfy orders yourself. Amazon takes a 15% cut from each deal, which is somewhat higher than platforms like Etsy. Number 11, audiobooks. One of the methods is to turn your ebook, which you have listed to sell on Amazon, into an audiobook as well. Not every book will require an audio version, so you will need to be careful about that. However, there might be a good probability of a high rate of selling once your book has all 3 formats available on Amazon's listing page. Also, there are people out there who prefer listening rather than reading. Amazon has this issue sorted out for you too. They've created an audiobook creation exchange where you can hire narrators for your book to turn it into an audio version. This method comes along with another hustle, and that is to become a narrator at Amazon's ACX program where people may hire you to narrate their piece of writing. Either way, it's your benefit as money is transferring into your account. Number 10, Amazon Services. Do you know that you utilize Amazon to interface with a handyman to fix a kitchen sink you buy from Amazon? As indicated by the new Amazon Services, experts like housekeepers, handypersons, circuit repairmen, exterior decorators, handymen, and a lot more can apply to sell their administrations through Amazon. After you go along with it, you'll see each new position in your general vicinity and have the option to pick the ones that fit your timetable. There are no startup or participation charges, yet Amazon will charge some fees per booking. Number 9, private label your product. To stay away from a portion of the opposition on Amazon, numerous dealers have picked to private name their thing, which implies they are enlisting it on Amazon as their own. The procedure for private marketing is more confounded than just purchasing a thing from Alibaba and selling it. The advantage of selling your marked item on Amazon is that you generally have full control for your posting and you can make changes to your item if you have to. Suppose your clients whine about a specific component of your item, you could then make changes to it. For instance, suppose you sold pencils, yet saw a ton of negative surveys reference that they wish the eraser worked better and that the pencil itself was more extensive for better hold. You would then be able to make those suggestions from analysts and art your pencil and get it trademarked. Number 8, Amazon Trade-in Program. Have you any idea that Amazon will pay you for utilised books, DVDs, Kindle gadgets, tablets, mobile phones, and different items? This administration is offered through an official exchange program which pays you in Amazon Blessing credit for your product. It's not exactly money, however, but a credit that can only be used to make a purchase on Amazon, which is an altogether not too bad an offer. The cool part is that they give you a free prepaid USPS or UPS dispatching name as well, so you should simply bundle up that thing and send it off. It's simpler than eBay because you don't need to take pictures, keep an eye out for a sale to end, or manage buyers. In case you're planning to clean your room, look at what your things are worth to Amazon. Number 7, sell your designs with Amazon merch. The Merch by Amazon program is a very cool way to make extra money without any contribution at all. All you need to do is design, and then you can rest, as everything else will be handled by Amazon itself, including the printing and shipping. You will get paid quite a handsome amount of money for each order you manage to get. It is the same as the drop shipping method. It is one of the best ways of making passive income online. Number 6, Amazon Associates. A gradual pay stream throughout the years has been Amazon Associates, Amazon's subsidiary showcasing program. On the off chance that you have a site or blog of your own, this is an approach to get you paid when you allude purchases to Amazon for items you talk about or include on your webpage. Your bonus will run from 4 to 15%, relying upon what you sell, however, and can indicate a noteworthy sum. The best piece of Amazon's associate program isn't the commission rate, however. It's indeed one of the good methods to invest in a source of passive income. The best parts are the high transformation rate and how you'll gain commission on all that somebody inevitably purchases after they click your connection. By this method, you will earn throughout the years. Number 5, make money on Mechanical Turk. Amazon's Mechanical Turk is a fascinating publicly supported workstage. It practices principally in truly low expertise undertaking, yet ones that despite everything requires a natural eye. As a result of the low expertise required, these assignments regularly pay close to nothing, normally beginning at a couple of pennies. A considerable lot of the labourers are abroad, where the expenses of living are lower. However, this stage is available to US labourers too. It sincerely wouldn't be our first decision of side hustles, yet it is a choice. Number 4, Amazon Flex Deliveries. Have you seen that a number of your Amazon deliveries are being released off by random individuals rather than by the standard UPS drivers? This new program permits individuals to get $18 to $25 an hour in their free time and helps Amazon with handing over bundles significantly faster. Flex is gradually being turned out across the country, and you can see what regions are accessible or join the shortlist for your region. This side hustle offers to individuals who have a solid vehicle, yet may not fit the bill for Uber or Lyft, or just dislike driving outsiders around. Number 3, Amazon Work From Home Jobs. If you need a job where you can work from the comfort of your own home, consider joining Amazon's Virtual Client Support Group, also known as Amazon's Work From Home Customer Service Associate. Virtual opportunities aren't accessible everywhere yet, but if you live in a specific zone, you might have the option to apply for Amazon's telecommute positions, given that you're qualified and a correct fit for the position. They usually pay about $10 an hour. There are non-clients administration jobs that those with a certified tech foundation might apply for example, cloud tech account supervisors and specialized mentors. Number 2, Amazon Alexa Skills. There are 2 or 3 different ways side hustles can bring in cash with Amazon's well-known Echo gadgets. The first is Apple's application store. You can construct extraordinary Alexa voice applications called abilities. As a gifted engineer, you can set your own costs and acquire 70% of the income when clients get it. For instance, Nick Schwab made a free surrounding commotion ability and now has 10,000 paying clients for an excellent membership variant estimated somewhere in the range of 99 cents to $1.99 every month. Amazon additionally has a prize program to urge designers to work out the biological system of aptitudes. So what you will earn will depend upon the extent of your skills. And at number 1, Kindle Books. Amazon's Kindle stage has engaged a large number of creators to dive in and independently publish their own work to the world. Truth be told, there are currently more than 6 million Kindle titles ready to move. Independently publishing is one of our most loved and longest running side hustles. The way Kindle writers bring in cash is when people acquire your book through the Kindle Unlimited program. This program, which prizes writers dependent on what number of pages of substance your pursuers expend, will in general work better for fiction writers, as pursuers will regularly eat up a few books in a month on the off chance that they like your work. So if you're someone with a knack for writing, then you should try your luck with this program. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.